What is good, YouTube? It's Project Garage back again. Hey, check this out. So I ran into another little issue with the car. I told y'all I was gonna be updating y'all. Whatever happened to the car, I'll post it. It is currently 8:12 a.m. My dad's birthday today. Happy birthday, Dad. Yeah, it's 8:12 a.m. right now, and I just want to show you guys what happened to my car this morning. So the coilover bolt in the back fell out. I don't know if you guys are familiar with coilovers, but that's basically what holds up the rear end. Coil bolt popped out and it's making some noise. So I'm gonna show you guys where it's at and how to fix it. First, you want to find the bolts. So I'm gonna find the bolts and I'll meet you guys outside. Hey y'all, what's up? This is so last minute. I'm actually headed to BMW right now to get the parts, and once I get back home, we're gonna start working on it. So you guys, I'll see y'all when I get to BMW, and then once you get to BMW, then I'll see you at the house. You already know how this goes. Man, y'all lock in, subscribe to Project Garage 36, and you know how we rock. Okay, fellas, I just made it to the BMW dealership.
It's the rock, the mic, yeah. Better watch what you say, no safety. That Desert East screech come off them off-whites. LIB, NC, and DC, and we got what it takes to rock the mic, yeah. Better watch what you say, no safety. That Desert East screech, knock off them off-whites. Bull City, the greedy get fed, the needy get left for dead. Put a G on your head like Georgia. For the bread, keeping people misled. The governor, like a hustler, if feeding us mad. And say they wanna make a change, but they keep it instead. Trying to come up in the game, then you need to invest. So put your money where your mouth is and keep it a band. Treat it like you play spades, take a peek in my hand. It's just three.
I don't know what the fuck this is, but this shit's clean. I don't know what the fuck this is. It's clean though. It's like digital screen. Oh, it's at 850. God damn. We'll plug in a video of that. Y'all should see that. White one. It's fire too. One day I'll get these trucks up to be whipping one of these bad boys. Shit, I like it. Wasn't that expensive. You see, we made it out with $8.07, which is not bad. Cannot make that. Fuck. Ready. Turn signals, man. Where y'all get slapped. Use them damn turn signals. And subscribe to my channel too. While you at it. Look at this dude. Hey, got a 7.2 or 5 series, one of the two. South Point Mall. This is the mall, the infamous mall that y'all keep seeing on the news that get shot up. Fucking South Point. It was Northgate at first, and now they're shooting up South Point. It's like we can't have nothing nice anymore. It's like, where do we go?
Breaking news from CBS 17 News.
Chaos amidst the holiday shopping rush.
Terrifying. And you just see like a crowd like from the inside of the food court like running.
Shootings in this city have got to stop.
We are live tonight with team coverage at the streets at South Point Mall in Durham, where we've learned a 10-year-old was injured.
Here's a better look at it. You see? This whole fucking coil came off. This is not supposed to happen. My car is just a piece of shit, so. We'll leave. Found a leaf. Alright, you gotta find the right tools first. So just sticking it before you go too far. Next thing you know, car broke down. Check this side. Make sure your other side isn't loose. Okay, that's super tight. So I need to keep doing this until this thing does not move at all. All right, so this damn bolt don't fit. So I'm gonna have to go find a bolt that's long enough and to fit, and fuck. Long story short, I stripped it out by putting a bigger bolt in there when I didn't have this bolt. And now I have to deal with that. So look at my dirty ass hands. Back to the garage we go. This is very temporary. Do not try this at home. Very dangerous and sketchy. This bolt might either snap or break on the way there. Not sure. But I'm going to rig this bolt up. I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna pray this thing works. For the meantime. So let's try this. There we go. There is our custom bolt with our nuts. So now is the hard part. We're gonna try to put this bolt in my car. Hopefully it works. Let's take this off here. Okay, grab these two. So as y'all can see, it started raining, but let me show y'all. So I did that for now, and then I did this for now. It's all temporary, but like and subscribe. Project Garage will be back with another banger. We out.
Show her how to spread the chief.